Welcome to GSC Excellence Academy. This part of the lecture is on chloride shift. This lecture is going to be answering questions like what is chloride shift, how does it occur, when does it occur, how to approach a question on this in an examination. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. You like the video, you comment, and tell us how we can be able to improve on the quality of the videos or the lectures to better suit you, or how it can be helpful to other people. And if you think the videos are helping you, please don't hesitate to share to your friends that you think it can be of help to. Thank you very much. Let's go to the lecture. Now we are talking about chloride shift, and for you to understand this concept perfectly, okay, we're going to get into the red blood cell and follow some few equations from there. So let's say this is a red blood cell at the level of the tissues, right, where it's supposed to give oxygen to the cells and nutrients and then receive carbon dioxide from the cell, right? Now here is a red blood cell. This is the inside of the red blood cell, and here it's a plasma. Okay, remember the red blood cell is embedded in the plasma. Now the carbon dioxide from the tissues diffuse into the red blood cells, okay, and it combines with water, right? So you are going to have carbon dioxide combining with water to give us carbonic acid, right? Carbonic acid, which is catalyzed by the enzyme carbonic anhydrase, which is the fastest enzyme in the body, right? Now the carbonic acid can be able to break down into H plus and the bicarbonate ion HCO3 minus, okay, HCO3 minus. Now the hydrogen ions here are going to combine with hemoglobin to give hemoglobinic acid, okay, to give hemoglobinic acid. Why this carbon dioxide, say the bicarbonate, okay, it's going to be exchanged, so it's going to be sent out of the cell in exchange for chloride ions, okay, chloride ions. So we are going to have bicarbonate moving into plasma, and chloride ions are going to be moving from plasma into the red blood cell. Now this now takes us to our concept of chloride shift. As the concentration, okay, as the concentration of the bicarbonate ions increase in the solution or increase in within the red blood cell, what happens is that it's going to diffuse out of the red blood cell. Okay, so it diffuses out of the red blood cell along its concentration gradient in exchange for the chloride ions, okay, in exchange for the chloride ions. So what happens is that the chloride ions are coming in to maintain the electrical neutrality of the red blood cell. So meaning that if a negative ion is being removed from the cell, okay, the chloride ions will come in to replace that negative ion which has been removed. And this phenomenon is called the chloride shift, and it helps in order to replace, okay, it helps in order to generate the bicarbonate ions, okay, and also to maintain the electrical neutrality of the cell. All right, I hope the explanation was helpful. Okay, you can hit the like, talk in the comment section, and help share to your friends to also help them understand the concept of chloride shift. Okay, thank you very much.